In this video, I will be showing you how to create images using Midjourney Discord board. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So first thing first, what is Midjourney? Midjourney is a generative artificial intelligence program and service created and hosted by the San Francisco-based independent research lab Midjourney Incorporation. So Midjourney generates images from natural language description called prompts, similar to the Open AI's DALL-E and Stable Diffusion AI Stable Diffusion. So let's dive right into it. So what you have to do is to simply sign up, and it will redirect you to the Discord application. So once you are in the Discord, the next step is pretty simple. So you can either edit an image or you can create an image by just giving a text prompt. So you can create an image by just typing in a text, and then from those text and description, the AI bot will actually create an image according to your text. So what we have to do is to simply click on Midjourney board. And here in the comment section, what you have to do is to type in imagine backslash imagine, and here you guys can see that it says prompt. So once you have initiated this process, the next step is to type in the prompt. So for example, I'm going to type something like this. Hey girl. So once you're done with your prompt, all you have to do is to press enter. So it says waiting has started. So after that, all you have to do is to wait for some time till the process is completed. Once the process is completed, it will notify you that your image has now been created, and then after that, you will be able to use that image and download it. For example, here you guys can see that from my prompts, the AI Midjourney has created 4 of these images. For example, I can show you guys these images, and these are from the Midjourney application. So what you have to do is to simply either you can go and select between the version 1. So here, select between the scenes and then the versions. For example, I'm gonna go with the U one, and it will zoom in the first pictures, and then if I want to customize it further, I can do that. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.